Welcome to my next video. The subject is business research methods. MCQs and answers, part number 3, question number 51 to 75. I, Dr. Hundevale, welcome you all. Today we will start with the first question. Dash research implies to find solutions for business problems of cost minimization or profit maximization. The options are business research, operations research, marketing research, and motivational research. The correct answer is operation research. Here, one student might think that as the given part is cost minimization and profit maximization, it could be a financial research. But in the options, financial research option is not given. So ultimately, the nearer answer is operational research. Next question. Investigation of development of a market for the purpose of purchasing and production of sales is known as. The options are business, operations, marketing, and motivational research. This is a very simple question. The answer is marketing research. As we have to develop a market and investigation of a development of a market, then it is included in marketing research. Moving on, hypothesis is generally known as dash. The options are literature review, assuming a phenomenon, complex statement, and tentative assumptions. Student can pause the video, they can think of an answer, and in the later slide, we will check our answers. So correct answer is tentative assumptions. So hypothesis is generally known as tentative assumptions. Next question. Allocation of dash is prudent to meet the requirements of the research proposal. The options are under budget, over budget, budget, and manage amount. The correct answer is budget. So allocation of budget is prudent to meet the requirements of the research proposal. Moving on, dash contribute to the identification of research problem, whether it is conversation, discussion, interaction, or communication. The correct answer is discussion. So discussion with the management or discussion with the experts, discussion contributes to the identification of a research problem. Next question. Research design is a series of dash to be followed during the entire process of research. The options are action plan, activities, blueprint, and all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So research design is a series of action plan, activities, as well as blueprint. Moving on, a good research design enhances the dash of the research by selecting most appropriate alternative at each stage of research. The options are quality, demography, quantity, and none of the above. The correct answer is quality. So a good research design enhances the quality of the research by selecting appropriate alternative at each stage of research. Moving on, the next question is research design is a dash of the entire research, whether it is a blueprint, big print, e-print, or all of the above. Again, student are having tendency of selecting all of the above, but read carefully all the options, and the correct answer is blueprint. Research design is a blueprint of the entire research. Next question. The primary objective of dash is to provide insights into and an understanding of the problem confronting the researcher. The options are exploratory, conclusive, causal, or descriptive research. And the correct answer is exploratory research. The primary objective of exploratory research is to provide insights into and an understanding of the problem confronting the researcher. Moving on, cross-sectional and longitudinal designs are the type of dash. They are the type of causal research, exploratory research, descriptive research, or none of the above. The correct answer is descriptive research. Cross-sectional and longitudinal research designs are the types of descriptive research. Next question. Which of the following objectives below would best represent the conclusive research? And the options are: determine cause and effect relationship, provide insights and understanding, test specific hypotheses and examine relationships, or describe the market characteristics. The correct answer is test specific hypotheses and examine the relationship between the variables. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true about the exploratory research? So, if in a particular question not word is given, then carefully read the options. So, it is flexible, it is pre-planned and structured design, it is versatile, and it is often the front end of the total research design. Which is the correct answer? Which is not true about the exploratory research. So it is a pre-planned and structured design is not true because exploratory research are not pre-planned and there is no structural design in the exploratory research. Next question. Dash is the type of research that has as its major objective the description of something, usually market characteristics or functions. So whether that is exploratory research, conclusive, causal or descriptive research. And the correct answer is descriptive research. So descriptive research is the type of research that has its major objective the description of something. Next question. Dash design involves the collection of information from any given sample of population elements only once. Exploratory, causal, cross-sectional or none of the above. And the correct answer is cross-sectional. Cross-sectional design involves the collection of information from any given sample of population elements only once. And in longitudinal, it is multiple. Next question. Dash is a cross-sectional design in which there are two or more samples of respondents and information is obtained from each sample only once. So the options are multiple cross-sectional, single cross-sectional, cohort analysis and none of the above. Yes, the correct answer is multiple cross-sectional design because in the question itself it is written that there are two or more sample of the respondents. So it is multiple cross-sectional design. Moving on, research design is useful from the initial stage of dash to the final stage of reporting. So hypothesis formulation, data collection, analysis formulation or all of the above. Correct answer is hypothesis formulation. So research design is useful from the initial stage of hypothesis formulation to the final stage of or step of reporting. Moving on, research design helps to identify dash in research process and thereby provides better solution, whether it is dream, possible hurdles, solutions, or all of the above. So the correct answer is possible hurdles. One might think that solutions is the right answer, but research design does not help to identify the solutions, but research design helps to identify the possible hurdles in the research process. Next question. Research design should be free from dash biased judgment, personal judgment, improper judgment, and all of the above. So it is a very simple question, and the correct answer is all of the above. Research design should be free from biased, personal, and improper all type of judgments. Next question. Research design should be dash scientific, artistic, logical, and visual. The correct answer is research design should be scientific. Next question. Research design should follow principles of dash validity, reliability, accuracy, all of the above. And correct answer is Research design should follow the principles of all of the above, that is validity, reliability as well as accuracy. Next question. Under exploratory research design, when data is collected from published sources, then such type of data is referred to primary source, secondary source, direct or indirect source. Very simple question, and the answer is secondary sources, because it is the data is collected from already published sources, so it is secondary source. Next question. Dash refers to a sample of respondents who have agreed to provide information at specified intervals over the extended period. The options are experiment, survey, panel, none of the above. And the correct answer is panel. So panel refers to a sample of respondents who have agreed to provide information at specified intervals over the extended period. Next question. If researcher analyzes research situation with the help of similar instances, he is using dash. He is using examples, experience, case study, or none of the above. The correct answer is case study. So if the researcher analyzes situations or research situations with the help of similar instances that happened before, maybe in organization, firm, etc., then he is using the research design as case study research design. Next question. Studies conducted to examine the association are termed as exploratory studies, analytics, correlational studies, and external studies. Again, this is a very simple question, and the correct answer is correlational studies. So, studies conducted to examine the association between the variables are termed as correlational or correlational analysis or correlational studies. Moving on, descriptive research mostly relies on qualitative data, quantitative data, theoretical data, or none of the above. And the correct answer is quantitative data. Descriptive research mostly relies on quantitative data. What is next? In my next video, we will understand and try to solve business research methods, MCQ part number 4, where we will try to solve questions from 76 to 100. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notification. Keep watching my channel. Best of luck for your studies. These are some references I have used for preparing this video. Thank you.